From Aliexpress, for $8.76 you can get this gadget. The model is UM24 and you have different models, but we're gonna talk about this one. And it's a color LCD display USB voltage tester, current meter, voltmeter, battery charge measure. I have it. This one is with no communication version. You have with communication version with Bluetooth board, but it's $11. With Type C input, that is $15. Okay, the main difference between UM24 and 34 and UM25 is that with the USB port 2.0, 3.0 and UM24 can measure maximum 3 amperes and the other is 4 amperes. I'm having this beautiful USB gadget for a couple of years now, and I just wanted to share my experience using this gadget. From this side there is a male USB connector. We have 4 tact switches, 2 at bottom, 2 at the top. My version, because it's older, it's with micro USB connector. Also this can be for powering the device and the USB male. And from this side we have the output or female USB connector. Plug in USB meter or USB doctor. Alright, let me explain what functions this gadget have. Here you can read the input voltage, it's 5 volts. This is the current after you plug in some device, and there will be amperes showing how many current is pulling that device. Also you have a thermometer. You have another measurement for milliamperes and milliwatts. This one I don't know what is it. And you have this beautiful bar graph. You see that line of input. This is for voltage, but you have a bar graph for amperes. I'm gonna show you in a while. You have a menu for choosing. The first function is power off or sleeping mode. I set on 9 minutes, that is the maximum. You have the brightest for the screen, and you can choose to show the temperature in Fahrenheit or in degrees. Next you can rotate the screen to be upside down with holding one of the tact switches. Okay, and now I forgot, it shows the resistance in ohms, the watts, the milliwatts and the milliamperes on the main menu. Okay, here I have my homemade USB discharger, and he is pulling around 700 or 800 milliamperes. Yes, it's pulling 819 milliamperes. You can see that in milliwatts, in milliamperes, and here it is the bar graph of voltage, and here it is the current going at 800 milliamperes. But when I pull, will go down 0 milliamperes. This is more cheaper USB meter. It's not in color display, but just I'm gonna compare and adding one more discharger, and with this one it's with 3 different current resistors. Come on, man. upside down. Okay. On this one it says that it's pulling 470 milliamperes. Here it says 360. I'm gonna increase 800, almost 900 milliamperes. This one is 860 milliamperes, and the last should be 1.3 amperes, which is correct, and this one show 1.26 amperes. The voltage drop on this one 4.87, this is 4.95 volts. Down you can read the milliamperes, total milliamperes consumed by the light bulb. Also you can read the resistance, watts and milliwatts, but you can reset all that measurements with this button, holding. I need to pull out first, maybe. Yes, you need to hold so you can reset the measurements. And right now I plug in micro USB on the side. That is working too, and it's a great USB gadget or USB meter, doctor, whatever you want to call it, and it's a great tool, and I suggest that you need to get one of these. There are better models, you can see on the link that I will provide below, and it's still the protective sheet is not pulled out. I'm keeping this in good shape and good condition. Alright, I hope you like today's video, which was a little presentation of this USB gadget. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!